In the first leg of our journey, we travelled from Halol in Gujarat to Pune in Maharashtra. This is given in episode 1 of this series. If you have not seen that video, then please see it first. I have given the link of that YouTube video in both the I button above and in the description box below. Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday night we reached Pune and it was very late, so I did not take a tour of this flat. Today I am going to show you the apartment that we have been staying here from yesterday night. So this is the apartment. So this is the entrance. From here, after getting in, we have this kitchen with the refrigerator. Here is one balcony. This is the window. There is one more balcony here. Total 3 balconies. This is the drawing room with the sofa set. Now on the right we have this room with an attached bathroom here. And here is another room with an attached bathroom here. And Gogol and Tintin having their breakfast.
Hi.
Okay, and this one is the third balcony. So this is actually a huge flat and we have been staying here. This is the concept here is of a serviced apartment. So we have booked this. This is in a place called Kharadi in Pune. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. This is the service apartment that we were staying, and now we are heading out. We would be going to Hyderabad and we would be starting our journey in the next 2 minutes. We are in the second leg of our journey, in which we are travelling from Pune in Maharashtra to Hyderabad in Telangana. Due to the shortage of time in Pune, we could not tour the city. We came yesterday night and are moving out today in the morning for Hyderabad. However, we will definitely come back again to this very beautiful city. We are currently on National Highway 65 and we have come 70 kilometers outside of Pune, and we have stopped here at this hotel to have our breakfast. And this is the highway NH65. It's in excellent condition and driving on this highway is completely a pleasure for all people who wants to drive and have a passion for driving. The inside of this roadside restaurant, very neat and clean with very good food. Hyderabad is at a distance of approximately 570 kilometers from Pune, and according to Google Maps it says we will take around 11 hours to reach Hyderabad. Although we have come 70 kilometers outside of Pune and we have completed our breakfast, but it's still a long way to go. The distance between Pune and Hyderabad is 562 kilometers, and as per Google Maps, the time required is being shown as 10 hours. We would be passing by Solapur and moving towards Hyderabad. We started at 10 in the morning, so it would be late when we reach Hyderabad. We could have started from Pune a little bit earlier, but since we reached Pune very late yesterday, we decided to start this trip after taking ample amount of rest.
We took a left diversion from Solapur and now we are moving towards Hyderabad, which is 300 kilometers from here.
The road is of excellent quality and driving is so comfortable on this highway. Also, on major stretches of this highway, the authorities have planted trees on the medians. This is very helpful at night, as the light from the opposite direction would not come into your eyes and make it difficult for you to see. So we are still 232 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and we have briefly stopped at this petrol station to refuel our car. After that we'll start off again for Hyderabad. And I talked to the locals here, and they are saying that the Hyderabad or better to say the Telangana Maharashtra border is around 50 or 60 kilometers from this point. Although we were told at the petrol station that we would be entering straight into Telangana from Maharashtra, a small stretch of this road passes through Karnataka before entering into Telangana. That stretch of the road is equally good. It is 7 in the evening and we still have around 124 kilometers to go, and we have stopped here at this dhaba to have some tea, and we would still need 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach our destination. The tea here is very good and it refreshed us after a long drive. We wanted to order for our dinner at the hotel before reaching, but they informed us that due to COVID-19 they are not preparing food. So we decided to take Hyderabadi biryani on the way. Since we would again move out early in the morning tomorrow, we did not book our hotel inside Hyderabad. Instead, we stayed in a place called Shamirpet outside Hyderabad, currently on the outer ring road driving towards Shamirpet. We came by this way, took the outer ring road to reach Shamirpet, where we are staying for the night. Tomorrow morning, we will again take the outer ring road to get to this exit, from where we will proceed towards Visakhapatnam. The outer ring road is a fantastic road. It is night time today, so I could not show you this road. Tomorrow morning, I'll show you how it feels to drive on this road. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel because that really motivates me and helps me grow my channel. And also share this video with others who like to travel and explore new places. Thank you very much.